Hello everybody, Smosey back again. I'm back with the retail football break. I got one blaster box of 2006 Topps football. Now, the reason I picked this up was I've never seen a blaster with 22 packs. I don't know, Topps total might have had up there 20, but blaster for 22 packs. I know the 2006 draft class is not very good right now. If you look, Leonard, Bush, and Young, that was very hot back in 2006, but nowadays not so much. And I picked this up right around $20 shipped. So, like I said, oh, 22 packs, man, we'll be opening these packs forever. Let's see if we can get in this guy. Try not to buy too much 2006. Here and there. Get a little styrofoam. Get the checklist. Let's see all these packs. Whoa. Alright. A lot of packs go through. I'll try to go through a little quick since we got so many retail packs. Shane Marion. Took me a while to remember this set. It's pretty cool. It's got those little cartoons on the back. Bob Sanders. Porter. Joe Horn. Vernon Davis. Oh, Bob Sanders, man. He was awesome, but he always got hurt. Watson, Drew Bledsoe, Rogers, Delhomme, Reggie White, Hall of Fame card, and a postseason highlight, Big Ben. Randall L. Coles. Ernie Sims rookie. Little rookie pile. Jeremy Bloom rookie. Barber, Sapp. Donald, Sean Alexander, Pro Bowl. Chad Jackson. Chad Jackson. Smith. Roscoe Parrish, Kurt Warner, Steve McNair, class of 2006 Reggie Bush, would have been pumped for that. Would have been pumped from Lindell White also, rookie card. Steve Smith, Terry Glenn, Newman. Ooh, got Own the Game, Trent Green. Ooh, pretty good looking insert. Trent Green. And Rob Gronkowski, rookie. Walter. Holt. Now, Joe Owens. Brown. Zach Thomas. Foster, Steven Jackson, Warren Moon, Hall of Famer, Michael Huff. Like some of his autographs back then. Sean Alexander, Smith, Eli Manning, Brunell, Vince Young. Man, this would have been an awesome 2006 box. Lindell White, Vince Young. So all I need now is the liner. What a nice trifecta there. Steve Smith, Sherman, AJ Hawk rookie card. Now that's cool because he went to my high school, so AJ Hawks. I do collect some of his higher end patches and stuff that I can find. Moss, Antonio Gates, Clayton, Buffont. Oh, that's a cool insert. Dan Marino, class of 1983. Alright, that's decent. And Buckeye, you booty. Also collected him too. He played for a few years. Barber, Corey Dillon. Sproles. Brett Favre passing leaders. Abdul Hodge. Shane Graham. Morgan. Looks like we might have a gold one. Matt Schwab. Tequila Spikes. Rookie to Brushaw Ferguson. Yeah, nice. Now another one of them pretty nice. He was number 1 over pick, right? Number 1 overall. 4th overall. Of course not number 1. 4th overall. The Brickshaw version. Number 2006. That's kind of cool. Mario Williams rookie card. This class had a ton of potential. Vic. Man, can they put him in the same direction? Christine. And a Brandon Marshall rookie card. Not bad. I don't know. Many Brandon Marshall collectors. I see like I sell much of this stuff. Been on so many teams. Holt. Lewis. Bosch. Troy Aikman Hall of Fame. Harrington. And we still got a lot of packs to go. Northcutt. Awesome. Heath Miller, Rackers, Kennison, and a Joseph Adai rookie card. I mean that Matt Leonard. There's a Battle Parker, Drew Bennett, Zay Bruce, TJ, and Nada rookie card. There you go, that's a pretty good one. God, he was in that class. Whitten, Taylor, Williams, Lilly, Eric Dickerson. I really need to get a nice autograph of him. Rams. Betts, Jones, Falk, Crumpler, Champ Bailey, Jarius Norwood rookie card. I just got a hit out of. What was that box I opened? I got a hit from Norwood. Jones, Williams, Moss, Antonio Gates again. Peyton Manning, EA Sports. That's kind of cool. Probably a million of those, but that's pretty cool. High cost rookie card. All right, 2 packs to get my Matt Leonard. McNair, Lewis, Matt Jones, Booker, John Madden Hall of Fame card, and Manny Lawson rookie. All right, last pack. 22 packs. Man, I have to give my breaking fingers a break here. Graham, Clayton, Parker, Cooley. Didn't get it. Higgins. So, all right, it's pretty much what you expect. A lot of rookies in this box. I think about 1 per pack on average. AJ Hawk 1 is pretty nice. Vince Young, Hofkowski. So, tons of rookies. I got a lot of these Hall of Fame inserts. That Peyton Manning is pretty cool right there. Dickerson. Brandon Marshall rookie card. The Brickshaw serial number card. Only serial number card of the break. Dan Marino. Only one owned the game, and it was Trent Green. Kurt Warner, Big Ben. So, yeah, a little value here and there. It's pretty fun to break. I probably won't open up anymore. Like I said, I try to stay with 2006 unless I can find a really good deal on 2006 stuff. But pretty cool stuff, guys. That's it. We'll catch you next time. Thanks for watching.